Hey guys, this is MC Barber here. I have another video. Before I start here, I just like to say please subscribe to my channel, put a thumbs up. I put a lot of efforts in creating these videos. They are very educational. So when I see that people actually put thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, it motivates me to do more. So I appreciate that very much. For this video, this is a pretty simple haircut that I'm doing here. Recently I taught a class to a hairstylist. A hairstylist, they usually do colors and stuff like that, and while the color is processing, they have some time, like 15-20 minutes or 30 minutes, and in between they can book a male client. And they usually do a simple cut. So here I have a simple cut, what I call a salon cut. Uh, it doesn't involve a lot of fading, however it has nice taper in the back. So the first step here, as usually, is 1.5. The reason I'm doing 1.5 is that's what the gentleman wants. He wants his hair down to 1.5. And then I'm going to do a taper on the back. So here I'm using 1.5, my standard technique. I'm creating the foundation of my hairstyle. I'm trying to create a square look, as well as removing the bulk of the hair. What I'm doing 1.5, I'm trying to actually blend as much as possible to the top. I'm trying not to leave a heavy line between sides and the top. We are planning on the new videos. Uh, we are probably going to do some colors and stuff like that, something that's more exciting. I believe that's a trend that's coming around now. So look for those videos with vibrant colors like blue, red, and so on, with a modern hairstyle such as fades with pushbacks, comb overs, and so on. Here, as you can see, I have done 1.5. I removed the bulk. Now, I like to, even when I do 1.5 on the client, I like to get slightly closer around the ears and the sideburns area. Usually I bring that down to like half because that's the first thing that kind of grows and shows a lot. In this area here I like to get slightly closer and do slight taper. If you see sometimes that there is a line slightly heavy, uh, you can always use your comb and clipper and kind of remove that line as you saw me uh, earlier with the red guard on my clipper. Now I'm starting my taper here. I'm starting with 0. The clippers, the edges are 0 gap, so they get pretty close to the skin. And then here a standard tapering. There is 2 ways to do it. You can do it from bottom up or from top down. So if you are doing it from bottom up, you will start with a closed blade and slightly open it and fully open, half open and fully opened, and do a half guard. That's basically what I'm doing here. So basically this taper I'm doing from bottom up. My academy, we are working on it. It's probably going to be open sometimes in the middle of the year. Probably looking about May, maybe April, but most likely May. We will see. First 10 students that enroll in our school will get 20% discount. So it's never too late to start inquiring information. You can do that through our website. I believe our website will be up short, so you can actually register through our website, and the first 10 students will get 20% discount on their enrollment. As well, my class for May 20th, the workshop, 8-hour workshop in my barber shop in Connecticut, has only 8 spots. 4 are already sold out. There is 4 spots left, and we are in February. So if you would like to take that class, uh, then it's time now to sign up for that. You can sign up for that class online at mcbarber.com. The class is $400. It's 8 hours hands-on intensive course. We will be working on scissors 2 hours, on clippers, on well, most likely on clippers we won't work 2 hours. So it's usually 2 hours on scissors, 2 hours on razor, 2 hours on styling, and 2 hours on clippers. But we usually work just 1 hour on clippers because fading is common. But styling is very important, and scissor and razor work is extremely important as well as a clipper work. But a lot of people these days do an excellent job with clippers. So once I cut the top, to connect the sides with the top, I use straight edge razor. This can as well be done with the blending scissors, which I have a video coming up after this one. It's done, pretty much the whole haircut is done with blending scissors, removing the length, blending, thinning, everything is done with the blending scissors, and it's a low fade, or very low, or actually you can say a taper on the kid's haircut. So it looks very nice. The haircut, actual haircut, is on Instagram. It's the haircut of my son Ismail. So that's the next haircut coming up. It really is a good haircut, and it's the one I think you should not miss. Once it's posted, you will love the technique as well the result. It's a technique that I actually worked on 3 weeks ago with a world champion from Italy. I took his workshop in Chicago. The workshop was 4.5 days, 8 hours a day. It was amazing. I honestly learned so much. It's unbelievable. Education is the key. It's for sure. Whoever doesn't do education, he really is just stagnant and is not moving forward. So I strongly suggest education. Um, and if it's not with me, seek someone else. Uh, so there is a lot of good educators out there, without doubt. I hope that I am one of them, or to be one of them. This is a passion for me. I take it very serious, and I love what I do. So my razor work, this could have also been done with regular scissors or blending scissors. So first thing there, as you see, I did some sculpting. Now I'm doing razor over comb. I want this haircut to be soft. This is going to be finished as a scissor cut. I'm going to show you now how to blow dry the scissor cut, which is a beautiful technique. You probably haven't seen it on YouTube yet, and if you have, there is probably not a lot of videos showing this particular technique, how to blow dry a scissor cut. So for this particular blow drying, I'm using a small round brush. The key is to roll the hair and to hit the roots, as you can see it here. Uh, that way you can get slight separation. You see I'm hitting the roots, then rolling the hair. The key is really the roots. That way the hair gives you the volume and texture that you are looking for. Again, reminder, please subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate it. Put a thumbs up if you like my work. Comments and suggestions are always welcome. I am just a student of this trade. This is a beautiful trade. So if I can answer your questions, I'll gladly do it. If I cannot, I can seek the answers. And if I never get them, I apologize. I'm but a human, and my knowledge is limited. I love this brush for fine work. Brushes are just like a clippers. You need big brushes and small brushes. You need different sizes of brushes and different shapes of brushes as well. So you see me mostly working with a 9-row brush, and that is the brush I do use quite often and a lot. However, I use this brush as well for finer work, so it is important that you have a brush similar like this for certain work on the hairstyle. Quick reminder about my academy. MC Barber Academy is coming up, Connecticut, USA, uh, Middletown, Connecticut, and most likely will be open somewhere by the middle of the year. For more information on my academy or my workshops and classes, you can go to mcbarber.com. We are also working on doing the webinars as well, so we can teach my followers and my fans from around the world right online, and that's something that we are working right now on. Once I am done with the blow drying and cutting, the only thing that's left right now is to apply the product. For this, you can use matte cream. The product that I use, it's Leroy. However, that's not necessarily the only product you can use. You can use any pomade from any company, as long as it works for you, is good. I'm going to use in this particular matte cream, which is natural matte finish, doesn't have any shine, and it's a medium hold. One thing that I like about Leroy is that it's water-based. It washes out very easy from your hair, and it's a clean product. And I'm definitely not promoting it since they really didn't want to sponsor me for my competition. But since I'm a person that if believes in something, I don't have a problem saying it uh, and sharing it. So they definitely have a good product. I just wish they would sponsor for a good cause more often. And if a person that's on a US team that's competing in the world level, plays second in the world, is not a good reason enough for them. I'm not sure what exactly is a good reason. But in any case, their products are good. Guys, I'm here coming towards the end of the video. Thank you so much for being with me. Thank you for following me on my social media, on my YouTube channel. For you that are new, my YouTube channel is MC Barber. My Facebook is MC Barber as well. And my Instagram is the MC Barber. THEMC Barber is my Instagram. mcbarber.com is my website. For more information and any information that you might need is mcbarber.com. There is about 6-7 pages on my website, so go to a page that it interests you. So if you are looking for workshops, go to on the page that says workshops. If you go for academy, go to academy. We are also hiring. We are looking for motivated barbers that will train and make them grow in this industry and be part of our team. If you are interested in working for us, please go to mcbarber.com and you can send us a message through there, or you can send us a message through our social media, and we'll go from there. We'll see how we can get your resume. Until next time, thank you so much. Please don't forget to subscribe. We really appreciate it. Until next time, take care of yourself. Look, we have a fun team that you can be with and learn how to do great work. I'm MC. Thank you so much. Bye bye.